Hey guys, today we're checking out this GoSports pool table. So we wanted to get a pool table down in our basement, but we just didn't have a room for one of those big 8 or 9 foot tables. So we found this 7-footer and we gave it a shot, and I'm really glad we did. The quality is fantastic for a budget kind of table, I would say, but it performs just like a regular pool table. The felt on here is just super nice and soft. It has a nice cushion around the rails, so when you're playing, a ball off the rails or off the side, you're going to get that bounce. It's not going to just hit like a thud and just stop, or it's not going to come shooting off like it's hitting against just like solid wood. So very quality there. There's definitely some cushion here. The pockets are cut nicely. Felt is tucked underneath really nice and wrapped nicely. It does come with 2 pool sticks, a set of regulation size pool balls, a cue ball, a triangle, and then some chalk. So I will say the one thing that I'm not crazy about with this set is the pool sticks. So they're not regulation size pool sticks. So these we ended up upgrading to the regulation size pool stick, and you can see they're about a foot, 8 inches or so bigger. So just keep that in mind when you're buying this pool set. You may want to upgrade at some point to a better set of sticks. But the pool table itself is really great quality. You can actually flip it on its side and fold in the legs to store it flat against the wall or something. So that's really nice. It weighs about 150 pounds, so it's not light by any means, so you'll definitely need 2 people to move it around or to store it. But that 150 pounds gets you is a solid tabletop for such a compact unit. So it fits in our basement nicely. We have plenty of room to go around and have room for the stick when you're taking a shot. And it just functions and plays like a normal pool table. So we're really happy with this purchase. Definitely recommend this GoSports 7-foot pool table for your smaller room, or if you're just getting started out in pool, this is definitely a good one to start with. So check it out, the GoSports 7-foot pool table. Thanks for watching.